Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be one of my favorite types of video, which is what I eat in a day when I'm trying to lose weight. If you're new on my channel, my name is Taguee and I lost 20 kilos during my lifetime 2 times. And I'm 29 years old. During this last year I gained 10 kilos back. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to lose weight as fast as possible, and at the moment I'm on my weight loss journey, and in August I'm going to share my results with you. I already have a good result, so make sure to subscribe my channel, and also you can follow my Instagram because I'm very active on Instagram. I upload stories every single day, and that's pretty much food related, beauty related, talking videos, everything that I like to watch. So it might be interesting for you and you can get to know me better. And also, excuse my English, I'm a Armenian girl. I grew up in Russia. English is not my first and not even my second language, so excuse me, I'm trying my best. And everything that I'm going to cook is always going to be touched by my culture, so it might be also interesting for you. This is something new for yourself. And to be honest with you, our cuisine, Armenian, Caucasus, Russian cuisine, if it's not the best, but it's one of the best cuisines in my opinion. So I'm gonna cook a lot of national traditional dishes, but healthy versions. So if you are interested, stay with me, and I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day when I'm trying to lose weight, my breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also I'm gonna show you the snacks that I'm eating during the day. I like to start my morning with a big glass of water with the lemon juice, because I don't need to talk about it a lot because everyone knows about healthy benefits of water with lemon. Also, before I eat anything, I normally drink my vitamins, and that's Opti-Woman vitamins, collagen plus vitamin C and omega-3. And then I'm making my all-time favorite breakfast that I'm obsessed with. Every night I fall asleep with the thoughts that I'm gonna wake up and eat my breakfast, which is oatmeal. Yes, and for my oatmeal I use oats, 1.5 cup of oats. Then I like to add fiber on my oats, 1 tablespoon of fiber, 1 scoop of protein, any kind of protein. I'm using a gold standard, and a little bit of milk. Then I decorate my oatmeal with anything I have on my fridge basically. And this time I decorated my oatmeal with kiwi and chia seeds, because I add chia seeds absolutely everywhere, and some nuts. So after my breakfast I'm normally going to the gym, and I spend at the gym 2 hours. I normally doing 1 hour of weight training and 1 hour cardio, and normally I'm working out 5 times per week. And after my workouts I'm starving. And the perfect lunch after my workout I found is my matcha bowl. And for my matcha bowl I'm using 1 frozen banana, 1 scoop of protein. I'm using pea protein this time, and I also add 1 teaspoon of matcha mixed with water, and this time it's blue matcha. I mix all ingredients together and blend it in my NutriBullet, and then we're decorating our matcha bowl as we like to. After 2 hours I feel a bit hungry again, so I snacking, and this time I'm snacking with sliced apple, kiwi and my Boom Bar candy that I showed you on my last video. Then you guys, I'm making my all-time favorite soup. This is super soup. So what I'm doing, I'm just mixing all my favorite products all together, and this soup is also really nice when you're sick, guys. Every time when I feel sick, I'm making myself this soup, and the next day I feel like perfect. I promise you guys, you need to try this. This soup is very healthy, it's very good for your body, and it's so delicious, I promise you. I'm gonna be honest with you, I never measure the ingredients. I always do everything intuitively, and every time it's super delicious. I was always into cooking since I was a child, so I found cooking is very creative, and I am a very creative person. I was craving for this soup the whole week, and I decided to make it, and trust me, it was so hard to not eat the whole pan in one day. So here is the ingredients that we need. It's mushrooms, tomatoes, aubergine, onion, parsley, chicken breast, and quinoa. First of all, I'm cleaning my quinoa. After that, I'm gonna boil the quinoa, and you can see it's a lot of water. And then I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and sliced all the ingredients. You can slice it as you like. I'm just gonna quickly show you how I did that. The water in a pan already boiling, so it's perfect time to put all the ingredients, and you just mix all the ingredients together, and I'm leaving my soup for 15 minutes in a very low heat. I like to add parsley at the end. Parsley no need to time for cooking. Then I close the pan with a lid and leave my soup to chill for 10 more minutes, and there you go, the perfect soup is ready. Super delicious, super healthy. Oh, you guys, you just need to try this. Guys, if you'll try any of my recipes, please make sure to let me know, comment or send me pictures, because I will be so happy to see that you try my recipes. You have no idea. And also subscribe if you want to, press like if you want to, and follow my Instagram, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye.